Yo, what's up everybody? It's King Ricky Hill and I'm back. Hey, got me a new lawnmower, electric lawnmower. Check it out, y'all. Comes with one battery, a battery pack. I think it's charged. Let's see if it's charged up. Let me plug it over here. Yep, green is charged, red is dead, but it's charged. Remember that. Green is charged, red is dead. Try to keep it charged the night before you go outside and cut with the new electric lawnmower. Anyway, unplug that. Battery charger. Put that to the side. Matter of fact, while I got the battery in my hand, now we'll do that last. Put it back up. Show you how this works. So, got your handles for your adjustment. No matter what height you want it, even if you got kids that, you know, play video games, you want to get out the house and cut the grass, boom, here you go, right to their height. You wives or husbands that you want your wife outside to go cut the grass, check this out. Boom, lock it in, their height. Get them outside, get some exercise, get some cardio in, whatever the case may be. I don't know, do your thing. Battery go right here, boom. Slide down, lock in. Got a level on it, pull up, pops out. Slide in, lock in. Boom, ready to go. Easy breezy, no gas, don't gotta find a gas jug. Cut any time of night, cause I heard it's quiet, but we'll find out once we get outside. I ain't gonna yeah, let's try it out. Let's see what they do. Let's try it here. Let's see. If it's so quiet, let's check this out. Not too bad. I guess that won't wake the neighbors up. So let's take it outside and see what it'll cut. I mean, 20-inch deck. Let's see. Man, it's so windy out here. Oh my God, where's my camera going? Man, I had to go and catch my camera, man. God, dog. Man, it's so windy out here. I'm gonna do some high grass, cause this right here is kind of low. But check me out. Let's get it going. Too low. About right there we go. front and back. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I was about to see you chill and relax, man. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Peace, love, and happiness, man.